This 2022 Forest River Sunseeker 2550 DSLE is a Class C RV. It is located in Rockwall, Texas, 75087 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Rockwall. This used Forest River is 29 feet 0 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, sleeps 8, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. This 2022 Forest River Sunseeker 2550 DSLE is built on a E450 chassis and is powered by a Ford engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's RV Rockwall, visit RVUSA.com.